Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome to the future of food, where creativity meets innovation in the kitchen. I'm super excited to take you on this delicious journey, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about. With the planet in mind, chefs and home cooks alike are exploring alternative protein sources. Think plant-based meats, insects, and even lab-grown proteins. These options aren't just environmentally friendly, they're also packed with nutrients. Next, let's look at ever heard of molecular gastronomy? It's the science of cooking, where chefs use techniques like spherification and foaming to create dishes that are as visually stunning as they are tasty. And don't forget about 3D food printing. Imagine designing your own intricate desserts or even printing pizza at home. Plus, smart kitchen appliances are making it easier than ever to whip up gourmet meals, even if you're a novice cook. Now let's travel the globe with. The future of food is all about blending culinary traditions to create unique, mouth-watering dishes. Picture this: sushi tacos, Indian-inspired pizzas, or even Korean BBQ burgers. The possibilities are endless, and they bring a world of flavors right to your plate. But that's not all. It's becoming a game changer. With advancements in technology, we can now tailor our meals to our individual dietary needs and preferences. Apps and smart devices can analyze your health data and recommend meals that match your nutritional requirements. Imagine a world where your kitchen knows exactly what you need to stay healthy and happy. And finally, let's talk about. Dining is no longer just about eating, it's about creating memorable experiences. From interactive dining where you can cook your own food at the table, to immersive culinary adventures that engage all your senses, food is becoming a form of entertainment. Think of dining under the stars with a virtual sky, or enjoying a multi-sensory meal where the environment changes with each course. So, there you have it. The future of food is incredibly exciting and full of delicious possibilities. Whether you're cooking up a storm with sustainable ingredients, experimenting with new tech, exploring global flavors, personalizing your nutrition, or turning your meal into an unforgettable experience, there's something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this tasty journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!